from the origin, 6.5. Then angle plus 180 ili na the other one, the other side. For one side, then 80, get that one. If this is the thing, we draw from it answer from this point, then all the way when we add 180 ni hivi mpaka hapa hapo. Hiyo yeah. I think we can let me come. Okay, if there is an error, there will be an error. Nice. No, so you see, we have the diagram. You see now how easy you can make use of the for loops in LaTeX to draw your diagram. So if you have many points, even in fact you don't need to list all the points. If there is a constant difference, the difference comes. Like for instance, in here, there is some nafikiria hapa here, the first part 1, 2, then kajua the difference is 1. Then there is this ellipse that mpaka 6, the last term. So in this list of this maybe array or whatever, it will have elements from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mpaka 6. So if you want to have differences, maybe for instance nataka iwe 0.2, 0.4. Now you see what it like. Now it's easier to make use of this instead ya kuwa na list all them. Imagine now, imagine if we were drawing the lines manually without using the for each this loop here. Imagine the number of lines we could have for just that implement. So you see, I think my time, I have a limit of 10 minutes. So that's it. If you have any question, how we can add this. Of course, we can also add this one, these labels without